Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I just want to share my experience of ordering a Tesla through the website and how I came up to a decision to make the purchase today. So if you guys follow my channel, you guys know that Tesla have been giving away like a lot of incentive. The first one was $3,750, and then they ramp up to 7,500. And then with the 10,000 mile supercharging. So I was debating whether I should order it before the year end or wait until next year, 2023, for the other tax credits that the president has signed. However, with the incentives that they have right now, it's hard to pass, put it this way. So I'm on the verge of getting the Model 3 or the Model Y. So finally, I pulled the trigger, and well, I've been, for the past couple, I think maybe a week or so, I've been looking at the website and check on the inventory, and it does move really fast. By fast, I mean like from 400 to like 300, 200, and to where it's zero. I kid you not, from Model 3 to Model Y. Okay, so, and I was more leaning towards a Model Y, and I first was debating about the white color and the red color, and then my wife wanted the red color, so we ended up, today, I actually pulled the trigger, and we actually ordered the place to order today. Well, actually, yesterday when I spoke to, I requested a callback, because there was a vehicle that I really liked, and it was in the LA area, and so, while like it took him like about 5 minutes to call me back, and that was fast already, right? But after I confirmed with them, and I went back and checked on that vehicle, it's gone. And usually, like if you really need or want a vehicle and hopefully get it, like you try to refresh the page really quick, because by the time that I hit order, it was gone. And he confirmed with me that just go ahead and continue. If you really want a vehicle, just go ahead and keep track of the website and keep on refreshing, because those vehicles that they listed are actually already to be delivered. So it will be delivered before the year end. That's what he's telling me. So I don't know how true that is. So, but today, and I think I pulled the trigger about maybe 6 o'clock, and I went through everything, took like, follow the process, my driver's license, front and back, insurance. And I actually, because before this, I applied through my local credit union maybe about a month or 2 months ago, and it was a pretty good rate at that time. It was 4.9. However, I think it ended on the 19th, and I reapplied, and then guess what? The rate right now through the credit union, it's 6.95. That is a lot higher, right? So earlier, I just pulled the trigger and I just clicked through the financing part through Tesla, and less than 5 minutes it was approved. Excuse me. And their rate is really low compared to the credit union, and I'm surprised. It's 5.34%, and I'm actually going to finance it for 72 months. So that's the plan. And maybe about 15 minutes later, I got a text and an email asking me to schedule for delivery. And when I actually clicked on it to the link where it has my reservation number, it says that I think they're closed at the moment. So I guess I have to wait until they're open tomorrow. And on the text, it says they're gonna call me, or I can myself schedule. They're gonna call me if they have it earlier. And if they have it ready. So depending on where you have the location for to pick up the vehicle, if they have it ready before that, they'll text you or they call you, so that way you can come in early. So, and to my surprise, I've never purchased a vehicle this fast and instantly. And they actually have the breakdown of how much the total cost, the registrations, the license, the fees, destinations, deposit, the credit, everything is there for you to read, like right there, very upfront and very clear. And so it says right now the estimated delivery for my vehicle is the 27th through the 31st. So hopefully I'll pick up the vehicle, I don't know, maybe tomorrow. So if that happens, I have work tomorrow. So I'm probably gonna, like, as soon as I get off work, I'm probably gonna go pick it up if that's the case. Or if not, who knows? But hopefully it'll be before December. But other than that, so like if you guys are on the fence, like I've said before too. So if you're on the fence, you want the vehicle, just go ahead and refresh the page. You never know, you might get lucky. Every time I refresh, I get like maybe one or two. And earlier there's actually like about 3 vehicles, and they had a blue one, they had a white one, and they had 2 red ones. One of them like further away, so I just clicked the one closer to where I live, and I got it. So if I do happen to get pick up the vehicle tomorrow, I'm probably gonna do like another video on that one too. So once again, I just want to share you guys with my experience, what I go through with the ordering process. So it was really smooth. Just so you know, my credit is over 800, so I don't know if that's gonna matter. I think if you have a little bit lower, the APR might be a little bit higher, or who knows what. But that's pretty much it for this video. So if you guys like the video, please give a thumbs up. And if you love the channels, make sure you subscribe for more content. So recently, the past maybe two videos, I started making videos regarding about Tesla. And now that I will be owning one, so most likely I'll be making more content about that as well. So other than that, take care, guys, and I'll see you guys in the next video.